Hi peeps, my name is Zina and I am aging ethically. Now I had to work tonight, but I couldn't wait to get home and do a little unboxing and tell you guys a little story. I also have an announcement to make as well. Not too long ago, I discovered on Instagram a really super cute little jewelry company called Posse. They handcraft earrings. At that time I thought it was just earrings, but now I know that they also make necklaces and they produce print art as well. But when I first discovered them, I noticed their jewelry or their earrings particularly, because they represent fruit and vegetables, and they're so super cute. First one that I saw was a dangle, and it was an avocado cut in half, and on one side it was the avocado half with the pit, and on the other side it was the one without. And from that point on I was hooked. The company is called Posse. They create these cute little mini movies for Instagram, and just like shenanigans in the studio where they're creating the pieces, and they're just so adorable and I love watching them all. I'm going to share one with you here. So I went ahead and checked out their Etsy shop and I placed an order. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I can't wait to open this. I've been wanting to own a piece of their jewelry and a pair of their earrings for so long, and I finally ordered it, and let's see what we have. Now, I don't know what pair of earrings this is, so it's a mystery pair. So I'm gonna open it up now, and let's see. I have the pair of earrings. Like I said, I don't know what they are yet. I have, let's see, I have their little business card. Oh, that's the avocado earring I was telling you about. You see the little avocado dangle? That's so cute. Ah! All right, and it looks like I have a little sticker here, and it says, "Oh snap." And they are snap peas. Oh my gosh, let me see if I can get my camera to... Okay, Posse, and it says, "Oh snap," and they're little snap peas, and it's a sticker. Oh my goodness, so cute. These are my first ever pair of Posse earrings. I'm going to share this moment with you guys. Oh, they're little snap peas. Oh my gosh. Oh, how cute. Oh, these are so adorable, guys. Look at how cute they are. It looks like the real thing. Oh my gosh, how adorable. Oh, how cute. I'm in love. Alright guys, I'm going to put these on, so hold on one sec. I'll be right back. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. If you go to the Posse Etsy shop, and I'll have all the links below as I normally do, you'll see that they sell jewelry, they sell art. We're a posse of plant-powered people producing jewelry and art, promoting plant pride. That's a lot of amazing alliteration. We donate a portion of profits to various animal sanctuaries and animal organizations. Oh my gosh. But the group is made up of, and if you go to the site, you'll see pictures of everybody, but Brittany, Sam, James, Byron, Robin, and Shay. Now I'm going to show you a little video of some of the other earrings that they have so you can see why I've fallen in love with this company. Here are some of their necklaces. And now check out their eco prints, which are printed on 100% recycled paper. Now for the announcement portion of my video. You guys, I have a discount code with Plant Posse. You can get 10% off earrings, necklaces, and 8x10 eco prints with code ZINAV. 10% off earrings, necklaces, and 8x10 eco prints. I'm so excited because I love this company so much, and this is the first discount code for my channel, Aging Ethically, and I am so ecstatic and elated to represent this company. I love that they're vegan and it's a plant-powered posse, and to me this is the most perfect company to pair up with a discount code, and I'm so excited to offer it to you guys. You get to use my code ZINAV to get 10% off earrings, necklaces, and 8x10 eco prints. These make super cute gifts, and I can't wait to order more earrings, and I'm going to wear them everywhere I go. Thank you so much for watching and sharing your evening with me. Enjoy the rest of your night. And don't forget to like and share my videos. I appreciate it so much that you do that. That means just so much to me. Like, words can't properly describe how touched I am when I see you guys commenting and sharing. It means a lot to me. So thank you so much, guys, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye.